Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is Drunk Driver Brutally Crashes Head On into Police Car. So let's get into the video, man. These guys driving drunk and everything. We can't be, that's real dangerous. Let's go.
In February 2022, an officer was on duty with a dispatcher riding along as a passenger when he responded to a potential hit-and-run accident in Middleton, Wisconsin. While proceeding through an intersection, he saw a vehicle speeding toward him in the wrong direction. Initially, he believed the vehicle might have been stolen, with the driver attempting to pass other cars. However, it turned out to be driven by 26-year-old Sergio Ramirez, who was driving under the influence. It quickly became evident that Sergio was not slowing down and was going to crash head-on into the officer's squad car. With other vehicles surrounding him, the officer had no escape route to avoid the collision. He activated his emergency lights and siren to warn others of the impending danger. Unfortunately, the officer's body cam was in the charging dock at the moment of impact, but was then quickly activated. He located his radio on the floorboard and notified dispatch of the accident. Meanwhile, his passenger struggled to open her door due to the collision and had difficulty breathing. Despite this, both of them managed to exit the squad car. The officer subsequently approached Sergio, who displayed a visible head injury. Additional units soon arrived as the main officer began to experience headaches.
We'll talk to you in a little bit. Stay seated.
Stay seated.
Okay.
Can we talk to witnesses?
Why don't you let's make sure.
Okay, we'll help with Dave.
Hey, stay.
Hey, yo.
Hey, stay there. Stay there. Don't move. Just sit back in your seat.
Bro, stop it.
As officers tried to get him to cooperate, they noticed his speech was slurred and his inability to stop using the word bro.
Have a seat.
Hey, have a seat. Have a seat.
Bro,
Sit down.
stop it.
Sit down.
Oh, wait a minute.
Hey, yo. You know what? I checked in with your officer.
Hey, sit down.
I'm not even doing anything. Hey, bro.
Coverage area, Middleton.
Can you tell him to stop, please?
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
And then we'll talk.
I was walking on.
He's bombed.
To that stoplight.
It's probably from his head. That's probably, oh, for sure. He's probably between alcohol and...
Stay awake.
Stay awake with us.
Stay awake.
Bro.
No, just stay seated for us.
Stay seated. Just
Man.
stay awake.
We're gonna have...
Bro,
We want to ask county.
I was already there.
You're already where?
With you, bro.
Affirm. And did we ever get anybody to check on the other car versus tree?
I was already with you, and you were already with the...
Before I checked
bro,
the area.
Bro,
I didn't see anything obvious near
this is
Brindisi.
stupid, dude.
Didn't look super close though.
Where is an ambulance? Taking a long
Bro,
time.
because you know that it wasn't even... That's it for ambulance. Bro.
05 to 03, 3 good here.
Stay seated.
I can go down there
Hey,
and check
yo,
that.
I'm
bro.
gonna tell you again.
Alright. So tell me why I can't be
Yeah,
done.
because I think we got this pretty well.
Bro. I'm not doing this.
Sit right here. Stay warm so we can have you get checked out.
Bro. You're the only one that did this around me out.
What are you talking about? You hit your head. You're confused right now. Just stay seated. Stay seated.
Wait. Deja de tocarme la pinche cara. Wait.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs if you don't stay seated.
Deja de tocarme porque yo estoy aquí. Mira,
Stay
güey.
seated.
So there's an accident down the street. I will move my truck, but I need you to just pull into the parking lot up here on the right.
I'll pull the parking lot and go around.
Because I don't want you to have to back up with the trailer. Give me a second though.
Mira, güey. Tú me estuviste aquí y acá.
I don't understand Spanish.
Yeah. So here's what. No.
Come down.
No. Hey, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna move my car, but I need you to pull into the parking lot for Pick and Save, turn around, and I'm shutting down the road here, okay?
0503.
Is he 55? Hey,
I think so, but he's also, he hit his head hard.
And he's not.
Bro.
Hey,
I know he's gotta have a pound.
Relax.
Bro.
03, once you mark the driver detained for right now.
Dude.
There you go, UBLV command.
All right, so I'm shutting down the road. That's why I stopped here in the middle, okay?
I didn't understand because we go up and go around.
I need you to either U-turn or go into the pick and save lot, okay?
Okay, yeah, that light back there didn't seem to be working.
Yeah. So just do me a favor, don't go down to where all the lights are, okay?
Get out of here before someone else it up.
Yeah.
Are you trying to turn? Hold on 1 second. Thanks, Mark.
Terry, are we having the county come do this?
Dude. I'm asking you, like, please, man. Dude, like, if you want me to tell you that, like, I respect you, dude.
I want you to get checked out by the ambulance. What I want.
I respect you to do that.
So there is an accident down there. The road is shut down for now.
Do you want me to try and go straight? Or?
Yes, please.
Okay. Do you want me to go now?
When the light turns green, okay?
Let me get you respect of her.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Come on, let's go. Jesus Christ. Do you not see the big f***ing arrow? Do you not see the big arrow?
He hit his head. Oh, yeah. Good here, so.
What's your name?
Spanish.
Huh?
So you said, give us
He speaks English too.
What's your name?
Tell me what your name is.
Sergio, I'm Adam, one of the paramedics. Are you hurt?
Yes.
Where are you hurt?
Go.
Where are you hurt? Hey, where are you hurt?
With this, I haven't done anything.
Okay.
That's gotta be so annoying for the officers because the deal with the traffic, it's like you see the cop car is blocking, it's in the middle, so it's blocking the whole thing, but you're still gonna have people trying to turn and go on that road. Like, it's just like people are just like brain dead, you know what I mean? Like, obviously it's closed.
Bro.
Hey, we're gonna take it on the hospital. We're just gonna figure out what your injuries are for right now, okay? Have you been drinking today?
You're not.
You're not drinking?
You're not.
You're not what?
We're not what?
No, stop.
What's your name?
Sergio.
Sergio, what happened?
He already told me that he was trying to give me some give me with like that.
You want to just get a... So, he hit head on, going the wrong way? Is that what happened?
Yeah,
That's
man.
my
Sounds like,
understanding.
No, man. Totally, like...
Relax.
You know what?
Have you guys done breathalyzer?
No, we were trying to
We're trying to get him to stay in the car.
but
Bro.
he just keeps getting out and he got up.
Bro,
Have a seat here.
help me down here.
Or turn.
Yep, have a seat.
Do you not see the big f***ing arrow? Jesus Christ.
What do you want us to do?
Switch the cuffs to the front.
You got it? You want me to do it?
No, I got blood all over my hands. So.
Yeah, so do I, but I'll switch and I'll do it.
Hold on. Stop.
For one more, please, for
Come on, bro.
Go. Jesus Christ. Go. You go. Why did you not go?
Like on that street, I'm just trying to get her home.
No, but you can't get, you'll have to go around to get to High Road. You can't get there this way. There was a head-on crash. You can't get through.
Hey, just stop moving, okay?
Just relax.
We're trying to help you.
Bro, I was
Just relax. Kick your feet up.
standing here
Careful,
and
he
like
been spitting a lot too.
Bro.
Sometimes.
Put your legs up here.
Put your legs up here.
Hey, bro.
Keep your legs up.
Do you not see me? Do you not see me? Do you not see me? Jesus Christ.
Okay, now that that's on, that'll help a little.
copy.
Yo, they editor is funny as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever's edited their videos is funny, bro. Because you keep They keep switching to the lady doing traffic. Jesus Christ. Do you not see? Yo, this is hilarious, bro. This is a funny ass freaking video, man.
I was just gonna get some of the property for the jail, his ID and stuff.
Can I get an ID?
Yeah, it's in here, so I'll just pull it out. And this is what he has.
Just an update, there will be some possible 55 issues with our driver, so if you want to let the county know that as well.
Terry, I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna take his wallet.
Okay.
But I'm gonna leave everything else that was in his pocket on the chair.
Okay.
I don't know if county wants that, but we'll take this with.
Is stuff in the side door is yours or no? The gloves and the hat, yeah. Everything was in the back seat. Okay. You got your body cam. We'll hang on to that. Store it in the back. Okay, got it, buddy.
So we're sitting in the chief's car right now. We're just kind of waiting for another ambulance to get here. So, but we're okay.
Your vehicle's in a good position. Why don't you take Schultz's vehicles up?
Oh, okay.
Vehicle.
Okay, no,
So
that's fine if you.
That way we don't have to move your vehicle. We want to keep it there.
Okay.
So the airbags went off. We saw it coming, and saved me. Here, say hi to Save.
Hey, Brian.
Yeah, they're mine, but they fell in the blood and everything else, so they're junk now. I didn't know the wind was gonna blow them off.
4389, just advising there's possible 1055 issues.
So we let him hit us head on, because if he would have turned, it would have hit the side of the car, you know. But we don't know what's going on with this dude. I'll keep you posted. I just want to let you know that we're okay. Unreal. I just still keep picturing that in my head, and it's like, this isn't happening, you know? He said I must be a jinx.
No, you're not a jinx. This guy's 55. So, I mean, it's all on him. He was going to shoot through this intersection and probably have a collision if it wouldn't have been you. So I'd rather have it be this squad controlled by... You're going to be fine. I'm just glad you guys are just scraped some bruises. So we'll get the ambulance going to be here in a second. I'll shut the door.
Okay. Oh my God.
The smoke inside the car is what got me.
Oh, I know
I couldn't get out because of the airbag.
I saw you cut it.
I had to grab my knife and cut it to deflate it just so I could get out, and then
I couldn't get the door open far enough.
I know. Well, that's why I was just like, unbuckle yourself, like let's play it play by play and not panic, because I was that smoke that was filling in.
It's hard to breathe, isn't it?
Yeah, I was like, oh my God. I was like, if this starts on fire, like that is not how I'm gonna go out. I'm sorry this happened.
Do you know, did all the airbags pop? Do you know what popped exactly? All four side curtains?
Everything, back seat, everything.
How are you? Do you need something, man?
Dude, my head hurts, my chest hurts. I need to go to the EMS as well.
Let's get you down the hospital too.
Probably at 30, 35 miles per hour and hit us head on. So I was trying to maneuver, but if I would have maneuvered to the left, but then that would have hit her side door. And so then I just decided to take it head on and leave it at that.
The tire and that brush guard saved a lot of other things from coming into that. And they just could have been a lot worse, brother.
Yeah, man.
Sergio was then transported to the hospital to be treated for his injuries, where he remained uncooperative and had to be restrained by his ankles and wrists to the hospital bed. It was also discovered he had one prior OWI offense. Both the officer and his ride-along passenger sustained significant injuries from the crash, resulting in both of them missing work for an extended period. Sergio was charged with felony counts of OWI causing injury, prohibited alcohol content causing injury, misdemeanor counts of OWI, second offense, operating with prohibited alcohol content, second offense, and operating while revoked. He also received several traffic citations totaling nearly $1,000 and was subsequently given a $500 signature bond. As of November 2023, he was found guilty of OWI causing injury. The remaining charges were dismissed but read in. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 5 years in the Dane County Jail.